Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a long time since I posted that first video, but here's from when I went to Nagano to visit a friend and we saw a ton of cool stuff, so I just want to share it with you. And yeah, if you enjoy it, please like that button. Push, that button. Anyways.
Oh, it's a kite, but it makes it look like there's a hawk so that
Oh!
like pests don't come. Isn't that cool? Yeah, because these are all apple farms and stuff.
Oh, wow. Next up, we went to Kaminari-daki, a waterfall nearby, and it was pretty awesome. I don't appreciate the screaming I'm hearing.
We might be splashing each other.
So Kaminari-daki is this waterfall that you can walk behind, and I did get jerked on a little bit right here. It was really cool, even though it sounded like a static television the whole time. So after that, we headed down to Takayama Machi to just take off our shoes and go into the free foot bath that they have there with the natural hot spring water and enjoy some girl talk.
I haven't shaved in a little bit.
Me neither. I didn't even bring my razor. I love your jeans, by the way.
Thank you.
Oh, time for the toe. Ooh.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Could you smell the sulfur while we were over there?
No, I didn't actually.
Oh, so that's that smell. Because this water is the same kind that comes down from the mountain from that waterfall.
Oh, my god. Actually, I need to hike these pants up more. The heat tech comes in handy.
Right?
Oh my god.
So good.
Now I can smell something.
Yeah, that's the sulfur.
Odotte.
Before. Oh god. I went obiyage shopping in Takayama and I bought these really awesome apples called Aiga no Kaori and Fujisan, along with those Pocky, of course. Go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
皆様のご協力によりまして素晴らしい点灯式を開催することができました。
Oh, is this supposed to be like that waterfall? Oh my god. That's great. Oh, so. Oh! 本気みたい。ありがとうございます。すごい。Oh, it really is like that. Yeah.
I bet with just the right amount of snow,
Oh, it'll be like all lit up. So that's supposed to look kind of like that one? Or like the actual thing? That's so cool.
It's cool that the middle schoolers did this, though.
Yeah.
They probably design a new one every year.
Oh, that one spins.
It feels like Christmas now.
We went to Takayama, and got one free apple and bought 2 other apples.
Yeah.
But they're this big. Like,
They're huge.
we have 2 others. They are 2 of them are Aika no Kaori, like sweet.
Yeah.
And then the other one is Fuji-san, which is that one in the white stuff. Just started unpacking. So I got this really cute wash towel. I got it from Yokuland. The onsen. I don't know exactly where it is, but it's out in Nagano. It's really nice. I highly recommend it. There was a salt scrub in the sauna. It was amazing. It makes your skin so soft. And I also got some grape pocky. Apparently it's right here. It says the area it's from. So, or right here. I don't know these kanjis, so I would have to double check later. And then I never did. So anyways, that's been the extent of my trip to Nagano. I hope you enjoyed it. I do have some more stuff I want to show everyone, so tune in. Thanks for watching.